Hi, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to spread manure on your pasture using a Frontier manure spreader.
We're matching our Frontier MS 1112 manure spreader with a John Deere 5100E utility tractor. It packs 100 horsepower, and it has a great 1212 power reverser transmission that makes it really easy to use. You'll notice we've also made sure it includes the operator cab, which is an awfully nice feature to have when you're spreading manure, because you can't always be moving into the wind. Our manure spreader has a capacity of 125 bushels. When fully loaded with dry manure, it'll weigh about 4,500 pounds. With a load that heavy, it's important to make sure we have enough stopping power, just in case we need it, which is another reason we're using the heavier 5100E utility tractor. Like all Frontier manure spreaders, the MS 1112 is a pull-type implement, so hitching to the tractor is pretty simple. Just line up the pinholes, insert the locking pin and clip, and secure the safety chain. Finally, before each use, it's a good idea to check the tension of the drive chains on each side of the spreader. Their tension should be matched as closely as possible and can be tightened individually with a simple bolt and lock nut mechanism. The Frontier MS 1112 uses a 2-speed gearbox that controls the speed of the paddle beaters. A simple rope pull system allows the operator to shift from low speed to high speed from inside the cab. You can also shift to a clean out setting, which stops the paddle beaters from turning, while the apron continues to push any material out the back of the manure spreader for cleaning. On a job like this, you really need a second tractor for loading the manure to make the whole process more efficient. We'll use our John Deere 4066R compact utility tractor with loader and bucket to load the manure. We've also attached a Frontier LP 1172 land plane on the rear to act as ballast, helping keep our tractor properly balanced while loading. We'll also use the land plane to smooth out the remains of the manure pile after we're done spreading. With the gearbox set on low speed, the chain-driven apron moves the material through the manure spreader while the heavy-duty paddle beaters disperse it out the back. The coverage you apply to your pasture will depend on your ground speed and the manure spreader's gearbox speed setting.
Frontier has more than 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer. The place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it is built to be, thank Frontier and your John Deere dealer.